Hello my crafty friends. Today I'm showing you the latest addition to me of the Daphne's Diary. This is the number 7 from 2024. I just want to show you how it comes. It's wrapped in this plastic bag and I get an invoice with it every time, just a record of my purchase. It also comes with a little mini album. So this time we have a little photo album, which is extremely cute, that you could make a little scrapbook for someone. And then here is the actual magazine. So it is very beautiful and fall inspired. Now, unfortunately, I'm getting this magazine kind of as we're shifting away from fall type activities and more into winter activities. It is November, the beginning of November that I'm filming this, and for many places in the world it's still very fall, but for me I can really feel the temperatures changing. So what am I going to create this time? If you've watched my previous videos, you will have seen me create some beautiful mini albums and junk journals and collages with my magazines after I'm done reading them. And I just wanted to flip through. Oh, I love that little Halloween. I wanted to flip through and just give you a little sneak peek at what's inside and give you my thoughts and opinions on how I can see myself creating with this magazine once I have read through it. So there are many beautiful images that could be definite pages in a junk journal. Ooh, this is cute. Pebblestone birds. You could do something similar to this, same sort of idea, and you could draw your lines, but instead of doing the little pebble stones as a 3D item, you could do fingerprints, and you could actually even do fingerprints from your whole family and have like a different series. So each line could be a different member of the family and represent like their fingerprints, or you could just do your own and then just draw in the little details of the feet and the beaks. That's cute. Cottagecore recipes under a tin roof. I love that. Oh, this is cute. So, oh, that's really nice. I could see definitely just ripping these out and having them as ephemera pieces. Ooh, for a junk journal. Wow, this will be a perfect page. Just rip that out and have it be, yeah, that's great. I love that. That will be a page, and then all these can be fussy cut out. In my last video, I used these little cutout pieces to create portions of my junk journal. I'll show you what I'm talking about. It was this junk journal here, and I used the little fussy cut pieces that I cut from these 3D cards. Where'd they go? That's cute, actually, the way that they've got them fussy cut and then placed on there. How I used them was I used them in the cover of my book. These are all fussy cut from that same sort of paper in the previous fall magazine. And this is what I've created here. And then you can see how I create inside with all of the images and pages that she has. I have a whole flip through on this one. If you are interested in seeing that, I can leave that linked for you. So these are very beautiful. I've been really inspired by the fall colors. I'm usually a very pastel type person, but I've been really enjoying the vibrant colors of fall this year. I love this kind of napkin art I've been seeing everywhere. I'm not sure if those are napkins. They might be. They're decoupaged material of some sort on there. But I've been really eager to give napkin decoupaging a try. It's something I've not ever done. And there's so many beautiful napkins that are designed. So I hardly ever tell you my name. My name is Antoinette, and everyone calls me Tony for short. So I look forward to reading this. I really love the Dear Diary entries that Daphne does. It's one of my favorite parts. It's usually the first place I start with in the magazine. It's got these nice stickers here. Spot the differences. I already see one difference right there. I won't spoil the rest for you. There's another difference. There's another difference. I'm not even trying. And like, gosh, this is really easy actually. Oh, that's there. It's there's some sort of black around there. I think I can find the 10 just in a quick little once-over look here. Another beautiful thing, I can see cutting these out and actually creating tags, punching through an actual eyelet there, backing them with like a heavier cardstock, and then putting my own actual ribbon or rope around it. And this is floral arrangements using dried grasses and flowers. It's all in the details. Oh, that's nice. So in the scrapbooking world, Paige Evans does a lot of different stitches on her scrapbook pages. And these are showing you all the different types of stitching that you can do. And it's been something that I've thought that I should explore because I really love the way that adds a detail to pages. It's another texture. Beautiful doily that they've used with powder sugar, I'm assuming there. And then I invite you into my creative world on Instagram. I do follow her on Instagram. If you're not already following me on Instagram, that's where you'll see a lot of the stuff that I create. If you just want to see a quick picture of what I've created and then more in-depth sort of tutorial type or showcasing on YouTube, I'm Polka Dot Mailbox on Instagram as well. What color is your interior? This looks like a great magazine to read through. This is my color palette right here. I love all these colors. Oh, London. Looks like a beautiful place to be. What is this? Self-care autumn. So this is like a little checklist, and then we have a hat parade. Dietary preferences. Hidden beauty in the south of Italy. It does look beautiful. That's what I like about this magazine. It's like a travel magazine, crafting magazine. This is a gift that she's selling right now, Daphne's Diary Advent Calendar. You could open a different box every day leading up to Christmas Day, December 25th. Who does Louise have a date with? These are fun little puzzles that are in the book. You go through the clues and solve the riddle. Here we have Holiday in a Treehouse. It's quite the extensive treehouse. Cool. This would be a beautiful page. Just ripped out and then created, just fold in half and put it in the junk journal. More Japanese diary entries. What will the weather be like today? That cat is so cute. Definitely would fussy cut her out. I could see these elements here making a good cover. Although this is kind of cute for my cover as well. We'll have to see what we're going to do for my next book. I've been toying with the idea of doing my December daily in a junk journal. Post from friends. Oh, very nice. That's cute. Oh, that's nice. Look forward to seeing all the different things that people have made from the magazine. Narrative textiles. Oh, that's interesting. Wow. Very unique. Travel through time. We have a travel through time where I live as well. Like it's called the Fort William Historical Park. Ooh, this is interesting. So you can create a little change pocket, and then always the little recipes. Lentil soup, apple soup. Those both look good. I make a lot of soups. Maybe time to try something new. A new look for old furniture. The new agenda. I did buy the 2024 agenda, but I already had my planning system in place for that year. So I've just been using it to rip pages out of to add them to my junk journal. I love this. Love, 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 love this. That is so beautiful. Another cover possibility here. Have you been seeing my whimsical houses that I've been making? I made some Halloween ones. I will link those for you as well. They are gorgeous. They are so much fun to make, and they are, yeah, they're just so cute. This year I'm giving out biscuits. That'd be lovely. That's a nice jack-o'-lantern. Okay. Yeah, it would have been nice to have all this before Halloween. Oh, wow, paper dolls. Oh, this is fun. I'm going to make one of these. That is so cute. I love it. And then there's a poster in here. Let's just take a peek at what it looks like. Oh, mushrooms. And a little mouse. Looks like a cute little field mouse scenery in nature. Mama and love. Oh, these felt beings. Oh, cute. Oh, that's nice. Love how she features all these amazing artists and all their unbelievably creative work. All kinds of cheese, napkin rings, coming to the end. Okay, so then we've got the papers on either side. We can use either cut out those or use that on the back. Oh, so I did buy one of these novels actually. I just loved the color and the design of the cover, and it was this Laurie Gilmore. So I have that on my list to read. Santa's coming. I just had a flashback to the Elf movie. Santa's coming. Anyways, so that is my Daphne's diary. That is the latest edition. I look forward to seeing what I'm assuming is probably the last edition of the year, the Christmas magazine. And I always have so much fun reading through them and then creating beautiful inspiring works of art of my own, like these junk journals, and then displaying them throughout my craft room. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you again next time.